Hello, this is Anthony Chavez Zuniga. I'm a student in ACG 2021, Principles of Financial Accounting, and this is my Tableu video submission project. In this project, I'll be doing a short overview of my dataset, responding to the questions, and discussing the trends shown by the interactive dashboard that I made in Tableu. So to begin, we're gonna do a short overview of this dataset. So I'll describe the datasets and its fields. So in this dataset, we have this total sales by volume quarter and years, using the years 2019, 2020, and 2021. Here we got the revenues by category dataset, and the fields are government, R&D and other, telecom, medical, and materials processing. Here we have the top 10 customers in sales datasets, which vary depending of which filter we use. Here we got the sales divisions by map, and we have the United States, Germany, the UK, India, Korea, and Russia. And then here we have the sales by product line. Now I will be answering the questions. The first question is, what were the total sales revenue for the first quarter of 2020? So in order to do that, we click in 2020 and we have the filter out, correct? And then to find the quarter, we just follow. This is the first quarter, and the total sales revenue for it is $7,981,891. $7,981,891. Then the next question is, what were the total sales revenue for the medical category in the third quarter of 2021? So for that, we click here in the medical filter, and then we follow 2021. And we can see that in the third quarter, the total sales revenue was $880,589. The third question is, which product line had the highest sales in 2020 under the materials processing category? So for that filter, we hit materials processing, then we hit 2020, and then we check the sales by product line, and we can see that mid YB had the highest with $3,358,000 in sales. For the next is, what is the top product line for the German division in 2019? So we hit Germany here, and then 2019, and we see that low YT is the highest sell in 2019. We don't filter this out. Then we look for, in 2021, which quarter had the highest sales in telecom category under the UK division, and what was the low dollar amount? So we go to the UK division, we look for 2021, and we can see that in the telecom category, the highest quarters in sales was the first quarter in 2021, and the sales revenue was $141,606. We don't filter that out. And then, who's Cat's manufacturing top customer in the fourth quarter of 2019? So we hit 2019, then we hit quarter 4, and we can see that the Elephant Company was the top customer for this data set. We unsort this out. Then number 7 is, who's the top customer of the German division in 2021? We hit Germany, 2021, and 1 second. We go back to dashboard 1. I mean, we can see that the flight call is the highest, the top customer. And then question number 8 is, if you were on the top management team of CAD manufacturing, what overall strategy question could this dashboard help you address? So for that, there could be many questions that could be addressed. For example, which product line should be discontinued based on the amount of revenue that they produce. For example, If we move this here, we can see that general MFG, it's the least producing product, like, so it could be discontinued. It could also be where to grow in market. Like we can see, for example, between India, Korea, and Russia, Korea has the lowest in sales revenue, so we could target efforts there. We could also see which category produces the least money, which is medical, and you could see that you could decide to invest more money to try to produce more revenue there, or to cut down on expense there and focus on others that produce more, such as materials processing. And then for trends, the trends that we can observe in this dashboard, it's that each year the amount of revenue has been increased for this company. So when it comes to projections, the projections are positive. As we can see, the most that was produced in 2019 was on quarter 3, $6,935,192. And then for 2021, it's $11,390,172. So we can clearly see a positive projection throughout these 3 years. So you can see again where we have the biggest market, which will be Germany and United States, followed by United Kingdom, which products produce the most, which will be single channel EDFA, low YT, ear laser, and such. We can see overall who the top customer is, which is the Flyco. So this dashboard can help answer many different questions depending on the needs. But overall, it could show how to pitch this company to possible investors, how to do a report to senior management to show the projections of the company and show the positive results of it. That will be all on my part today, and thank you for watching.